A post-successful login user is taken to the dashboard page. A minimal implementation of the dashboard page is already present in our project. We will not be adding any additional functionality to the dashboard page. Let's examine the project-related pages from the live web app. Let's navigate to the projects list page first. The projects list page has a data table. You'll notice that the data tables used in the projects, releases, and services list pages have the same functionality with different columns. Our projects list page will contain an instance of data table control to handle the functionality related to the data table. We'll look at implementing a single data table control class that can be used for projects, releases, and services, which we will discuss in subsequent videos of this section. We only have a few projects on the projects list page. When we implement automation tests that might create new projects, the list will grow with each execution of the test that creates a new project. When we want to find a project in the list, there is no guarantee that we will find the project we are searching for on the first page of the data table. We could implement logic to navigate each data table page and search for the project on each page. However, since there is also a search functionality on each of the projects, releases, services, and features pages, we'll use the search feature instead of navigating through each data table page. When we search for a project, we want the searched project to show up on the top. Since project names could overlap, we'll need an alternate mechanism to ensure the searched project always appears on the top. We'll embed a unique ID in the project name each time a project is created using automation code. This will ensure that the relevant project will always appear on the top if we search using the unique ID embedded in the project name. And now let's check the project's add new and edit pages. We'll check the edit page first. In the edit project form, the budget field is editable. Let's also check the add new project page. And notice that the new project form uses the same fields as the edit project form. The name field is, however, not read-only in the new project form. Since the form fields are the same in new and edit forms, we should be able to use a single page object class for both new and edit project pages. We'll call this class project form page.